over the top. That way you don't hit your hand. And you see right here, that little spot? You want to tap that with your stick.
It looks like there's going to be a bad score, or something happens at the school, you have to cancel. But for the most part, we're fully booked every day. And Milton, we had to cancel 2 weeks, so we added a week in December, and we added a week. I just started in March because we didn't reschedule December. Spooky Tales. Spooky Tales. So they're Florida, maybe not true mythology and everything about, like, what's the big, up north, it looks like a big monkey or whatever.
Okay.
Yes, we have a Florida version of that. And it's just different things. Gremlins, one of the families in Florida talked about. So it's just those types of Florida folktales. That's what it's called, folktales.
And when you do that, can you like look around museums and stuff? Or
No, it's led, and you go to different buildings for it. And so it's at night, and we've got solar lights that we put out, so you're walking around the grounds at night, and it's kind of weird.
So this was the dress worn by Nell Ray at her wedding to Doyle Carlton, July 30th, 1912.
And so they'll have telescopes out, and they'll have different things to look at. They'll have fortune telling, just different days and that kind of stuff. They're waiting to go, there's stuff to do.
Okay.
So.
And is that kind of a kids thing, or is that?
Oh, we have all sorts of ages. Hold on here. You can check out the website. But yeah, we have adults that have been coming for 10 years. We're part of their Halloween tradition every time. It didn't really have apple cider or something.
What do you do on
Christmas in the decorating house, and we Christmas and fancy ribbons, and we have vendors coming like and we have
Christina, what's going on here?
We also have making ornaments out of different figures. Different things like that, just things that you would have done to get ready for Christmas.
It's like Doyle Carlton Jr. He got this style in 1929, and he was just 7 years old.
Yeah, so if you check the website, it'll be announced probably.
It's like this is a dress that was worn by Mildred Woodbery at her wedding to Doyle Carlton Jr. November 27, 1943.
Well, we do them on site, meaning we tell you, go to your phone and go buy it.
That's a picture of her.
Somebody doesn't know how to use their phone to buy a ticket, we'll sell them a ticket.
Okay.
But yes, so those are our events that we do for the public.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't even know this was here. I just kind of, I walked in.
Have you been to the fair before?
No, it's my first time.
Oh, okay, well that's even better, because some people will be coming to the fair for years and they don't know we're here.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, it's a nice get away from the fair.
Yeah, it's like a whole museum back here. Well, I mean, it is a whole museum
It
back
is a
here,
museum,
literally.
yes, it's literally a museum.
It's also a lot
It's
quiet.
like this gives you an information about each building
I used to.
that's here at Cracker Country.
And it's shady, yeah. Before I started working here,
Pretty
when
cool.
I retired, I was a volunteer at the fair. And so I would spend my weekends doing navigating, that type of stuff. And so I just kind of rolled into this when I retired. And it's great. I went from managing programmers and systems analysts to herding second and third graders.
I don't know. Which one's harder?
I was going to say, who's a systems analyst or programmer?
I do some programming, but I'm not in managerial. Not in managerial. No. I have taught before, so I know how students can be.
Yes, yes. And the kids are really fun. I mean, I like roasting them out. That's kind of like my thing.
A lot of gross stuff around here.
Well, so Carlton Mom was a wizard. You know, like make a move in the 1890s.
Oh, I'm guessing spits involved. No. Oh,
So you didn't want to go to the outhouse at night. You had to clean the bucket. That was perfect.
That makes sense.
But then somebody had to pick up the bucket.
Yeah.
The next morning, and you put it in the bucket. He sat on the floor because Mom was going to sit there for 2 nights and come down microwave and the chemicals that you do chemicals too.
Oh, that is pretty gross.
It's pretty gross. That one usually.
That's the same as
Right.
And so they like do the same thing with the outhouse, or like when you
This is a laundry log. Gives you some idea what some of these pictures are from. This is really cool. I wasn't here once. I did film it. I want to do a video just on itself. So that's the back. You go out.
don't tell anyone how it works.
The whole family.
Because that's what you used to do before commercial fertilizer.
Yeah, and you have to clean it out.
Yeah.
And he built it on a hill. And so
Or there used to be some sort of a door here or something. That's what it looks like to me.
Right side of the garden.
Surprisingly, it's very air conditioned here with these doors open.
Yeah.
So that's stuff. And then the sound of was fine.
A pretty nice setup.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah. So what's this room with?
This room is dedicated to the Carltons and the Woodberys. The Carltons are one that's down, Cracker Country.
Oh, I see.
And so, in the family history, the Woodberys, who were with Hannah Tampa and Steve Baldwin Tampa.
Hi. Can you tell me a little bit about what's in here?
Yes. So, the Carlton family, oh, you're recording?
Yes.
Okay, so the Carlton family and the Woodbery family married, and they're our benefactors. So what is displayed here are items from the families. This is Nell and Doyle Sr., and over here we have Mildred and Doyle Jr. Doyle Sr. was the governor of Florida in 1929 to 1933 or 34. And this is just artifacts and history about them, so then people have a better understanding of Cracker Country.
Now, is this an authentic building or is this more of a recreation where we're in now?
The one we're in right now is a building that was on the state fairgrounds, so it's a recreation.
Okay.
So it's just our gallery, and it has different things. The most important thing if you're coming to Cracker Country is that it has the state, it shows where in the state each of the buildings came from. And all of the buildings in Cracker Country are real buildings that people lived in and would have participated in their lives.
Now, any of these buildings in connection to any of them?
Yes, the Carlton House. This is their family home.
Cool. Any particular one that's a favorite of yours?
I guess the Smith House, because they had 3 children in 2 rooms and no windows and no screens. So that was a pioneer life.
Definitely.
Yes, as the boys got older, they built a bedroom on the back of the house for them, and they had an outdoor kitchen. So they're really more representative of what the pioneers in Florida, how they lived.
I know this is considered an open air museum, right?
Yes.
How often is this place open? I know during the Florida State Fair, is it open
Only
every year?
it's open to the public during the Florida State Fair. We have a Christmas in the Country event, and we have Tall Tales for Halloween.
Oh.
You can check the website for details of all the events. Otherwise, we do field trips, private, public, charter schools, homeschool days. We had about 29,000 children last year that came through.
Do they ever invite people like the members of the media or YouTubers or anything?
Charlie Belcher comes before Christmas in the Country, before Tall Tales, and before the fair. I don't know if they've ever done any YouTubers or social media. Cindy would be the person to find out about that. She's our director.
Okay, definitely gonna check it out. How long do you estimate to get a good, thorough walk through the whole place?
How long?
Yeah.
A thorough walkthrough would be 2 or 3 hours, but you could probably do it in like an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours right now, which is about all the time you have right now.
Okay. Well, I've been here before. I don't get here very often, only during the state fair. And then sometimes you can only like peek in for a few minutes because all the stuff that's going on back there.
I mean, in a couple hours, somebody that hadn't been here before could walk inside the building, you know, look around, talk to people, that type of thing.
All right, cool. Thank you.